Right.
Mata-mata nga andro era berang turang.
Right.
Tahu si finishing na nito bimbi bakal kana biyo kanigo.
Like,
Kita sa kami sa tali.
you look tremendous this morning.
Yeah, we welcome you on behalf of the people.
Alright.
This morning we welcome you. Even
The Fiji, the land, and the people.
The Fijian and the people,
Yeah.
we welcome you. Long time never seen.
Right.
But today we are happy. Thanks to the Upper
Right.
above
Okay.
for giving us the opportunity to wake up again in the morning
Right.
and meet each other
Yeah.
in a daytime.
Remember, Desi,
Yeah.
look at me.
Ha,
You belong me.
belong me envelope. Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning, even
Right.
though it's a very tough morning this morning.
Yeah.
Be careful of your movement,
Right.
be disciplined,
Yeah.
love your neighbor,
Yeah.
be fruitful,
Ang neighbor.
and multiply. Mula na katua, Ioane Selala and the family.
Right.
We will be say good morning to Ioane.
Yeah.
This is Ndau Ania Farm Scheme.
For where?
This is Maniaba.
Iyo.
Tamay tumbuna, Master To,
Right.
o Willie,
Yeah.
o Dos, Wamimbi be Tatay kay Bets,
Yeah.
Ioane Selala, and not forgetting
Yeah.
the one and only uncle,
Yeah.
Who?
Momo Willie.
Who's?
Ada tumu.
Mama Willie cheating all the way from Tokay Malo District School.
Yeah.
He's a carpenter, eh? He said he's doing some job there.
Yeah, he's a carpenter, he's a carpentry, he is a campus.
Bosu nimbenga and Raminaka and Nakele to Rocco and Rare. Siram Bamba do and Raminaka, thank you so much for tuning all the way from Australia. Yeah, this morning. Right.
Very good morning to all the students tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
We hope that you will enjoy
Yeah.
Right.
the rest of the holidays.
Right, 1 week, 2 days.
Don Mabrak.
Right. Yeah.
Don na maruta sarmal ro taron don lepo na badal kan do yata na marbambo
Dirsa.
gito na kakambe bulikau
Gori.
siludi wai
Uh-huh.
gito na be runabout.
Gory.
Bikyo ni sering sering ko na kaka.
Gori.
Sara.
Kere na meningkang garod na tumbutumbu. Meron mga saltay sur libenda. Ero budi ken nama kan lusi buli berarti lebro kan do yata kira.
Right.
Akhirnya memaro choro rambula.
Yeah.
Sa torimbe kan dikombe kan omni 200 na
Right.
school.
Yeah.
Nama teritu. Bikyo na tumbutum dan wisusu. Baku suku sar kera bulan reyani bulan lebenda. Me baka unge tiri tiko berkeni bang ko satu non reyani buli. Sar batu kan giri sampai tolong amai na singa. Merti bukin na buli.
Melna dale bumbula benaka tu Ioane Rongida
Mbula benaka,
na indaku Miriam na mbiri.
Right.
Mone buiti bara tando ndoyan ramomo. Wanu ni benaka karua na wanu betoka ni na matanga benaka de koa.
Miriam Nambiri from Lautoka and also Sereni Ronimasi and Raminaka Bonani Benakatuani and Mataka ni Bakatami Sigendai.
Oh, from Chicago.
Iya, mai.
Mbula benaka tu Ratu Emosin Roni Bilebu, mbula benaka and the family. Thank you very much for joining this morning. Eli Kirasanga Mua,
Iya.
Be Tinay Mateni.
Mbula benaka.
This is Lawa and Tukana from Buo in Lambasa.
Oh, the fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, era benak may buwa melang basa. Pag Indonesia, ano mo bitoka dia na matake di bakatami sini.
Hector Zinka Junior and also to Navy Langiokata.
Mbula benaka, mbula
Not
benaka.
forgetting the people from Rabi Rabi, Tokay Malora,
Arnera.
Ngiokata family in Dombula Benaka this morning.
Gabata mo rin talo min balit si Gramiden.
This one, you know the Dreus, the one who speak like a Gramiden.
Right.
Yeah, this we
Good
met.
afternoon,
I
ladies
met
and
the fella.
gentlemen, and welcome to Second Push Stadium here
Yeah.
in Hong Kong.
Right. No tiang ka dobangan biche.
Right.
Well, one day I was first time I went to Kandavu
Iya.
for the Namalata Sevens
Radio.
in Kandavu. This is the last 2 years.
Iya, last
Yeah.
years.
So when I went there,
Yeah.
this is the first time. So I was doing the MC then together with these two.
Oi.
With this Turangan Rewo Graham, the Fijian Graham Eden.
Right.
So we went there. We was doing the everything. Like take photo, we doing the MC,
Right.
and we announce everything there. The job of the MC, eh? So we was there in Kandavu.
Yeah.
The only team that the team coming from Suba in the Vitilevu, it's a Warden goal, Warden, eh?
Right.
Warden.
The big names.
The big names.
Yeah. Tapadamu.
Police Blue. The Lamy Cavaliers.
Right.
The team from another team coming too is Nasinu.
Oh yeah,
Sino?
big team.
Nasinu team went to. So the other team is from Kandavu. Lavindi, the Choma Brothers,
Right.
the Namuana, the Seafloat Mbulia.
Iya.
Styrofoam.
and also to the Namalata 1, 2 to 3.
Oh, yeah,
They collide together.
Yeah.
So many team from there they come. Labesa, many team. So the only team that drew to the quarterfinal
Yeah.
from Kandavu
Iyo.
is a Choma Brothers.
Oi.
Yeah, Choma Brothers.
All the rest?
All the rest they because elimination, some
Oh, right,
they lose
right.
on the elimination.
Uh-huh.
But this team
Right.
that went through is a Choma Brothers. So
ah.
Choma Brothers quarterfinal together with the Nasinu team.
Yeah.
The
Oi.
Nasinu coming to Suba.
Yeah.
So when they was there,
Iyo.
they was playing the game,
There.
up and down,
Yeah.
up and down, till the sirens finish.
Iyo.
Sa ubu na sini balabu.
Iyo.
Then the game finish.
Iyo. Umri si dileka.
So they was there.
Yeah.
So the points 5-5.
Right.
5 to Choma Brothers,
Iyo.
5 to Nasinu. Okay.
Yeah.
Roa.
Vinaka, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The game is over now.
Yeah.
You.
From the 7 minutes of the game, from the first half and the second half,
Yeah.
nobody
Yeah.
won the game. Now they have to sudden death.
Right.
They call the manager. Manager, can you come forward
Yeah.
and you take the coins?
Yeah.
Toss.
Head or tail? This for the toss.
Oh, okay.
Come. They toss.
Yeah.
They toss. Change the
Sides.
sides. They play again.
Yeah.
Oi.
They play again. No tie.
Yeah.
No points.
Still no points.
Still no points.
Okay.
So there was a ball
Yeah.
was given to Choma.
Yeah.
This Choma player ran into the tie line.
Oi.
Oi.
Score.
He scored the tie.
Iyo.
He scored the
Is
tie.
it a clear try or?
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Because
Use
No
the
eyes
TMO.
watching.
Use
Yeah.
the TMO.
no TMO.
Yeah.
The only TMO we use in the playground is the referee and the
Yeah.
assistant referee.
Right.
Oi.
The linesman.
Yeah.
So they went into the tie line.
Yeah.
But the linesman said
No try.
no tie.
Oi.
He scored dead ball line outside.
Oh. Past the score line.
Yes, but because the weather was
Yeah.
very
Slippery.
weathery.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Bo.
Oh, square in the tie line.
Yeah.
So from there, the time is movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was na ngauna because the organizer told me
Yeah.
we have to finish this game
Yeah.
at the right time.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
No,
as soon
like-
as we finish,
Yeah.
Yeah.
this is not like Nambualu.
Yeah.
We have to wait for another boat.
Yeah.
Right.
We at the time of the game depend on the
The
boat.
boat is waiting there.
The boat is waiting.
Right.
3 p.m.
Yeah.
The game must finish.
Yeah.
You figure it out.
Yeah.
The time of giving the prize
Yeah,
and
everything.
everything.
Right,
So
right.
3 we have to in the
Both.
wolf.
Yeah.
Hunisia.
Yeah.
Oi.
So when
Why?
I was
How about if you sleep again?
silipagin o de me venga rabis. Na kontra que rota ngento nasi. Dar to vela me na mala ta tinta la bola barra.
Itu kita la visa.
Then from there, the game finished. Organizer said,
Yeah.
okay, we have to go by loss.
Yeah.
Misa cek tek gol na lawan ni bola.
Yeah.
Na gol ni lawan.
The linesman spoil everything.
I don't know.
Okay.
We don't blame the linesman because
Blame the weather.
because Namalata Sevens every year. Otherwise we blame this year. Next year come.
Yeah.
Then from there, taxi
Yeah.
LT 3964 Dombula,
Yeah.
Arieta.
Yeah.
Then from there, the organizer come. We have you to MC. You have
the
to
book.
check the book.
Yeah.
We have to announce. Apa semua kena arti.
Yeah.
We have to announce the winner will be given to Nasinu.
Yeah.
All right. Why?
Walkie-talkie.
Yeah, walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
The winner to Nasinu because they scored the first try.
Okay.
Or to Skoilu.
According to the tournament rules.
According to the tournament rules.
Right.
Sa Barusara. Then from there, before we announce,
Yeah.
the Choma Brothers team, they come.
Ah.
The referee, not the referee, the
Linesman.
coach,
Manager.
the
Yeah.
coach and the manager. Oi!
Yeah.
You be Tomaki.
Yeah.
You just Tomaka the boys from Suba.
Yeah.
We want to because that's a clear try.
Yeah.
We want this game.
Yeah.
Why you want to lay this?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Salah ko sa namin na kailangan gitu.
Yeah. Sa kata-kata
The
bitaw.
press.
Pressa.
The press, sabi babat kay referee, they talkative.
Yeah.
They talk to each other.
Yeah.
Then the organizer said, you have to announce.
Yeah.
Then from there, the RT was there with Graham.
Oh,
Yeah.
Graham.
Graham Eden, the Fijan Graham Eden, Turangan Reus.
Yeah.
The RT was there with him.
Yeah.
You have to announce the winner goes to Nasino because of the bylaws.
Yeah.
The only team was scored the first try. You have to win the game.
Yeah.
If not, no
No
points.
try in the
Yeah.
sudden death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sareo Deus, sarito ka na bimbasala ko mayas.
Yeah.
Myself,
Yeah.
after the game, I'll take off from there, come to Suba again.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He
While they were
himself,
talking about the game,
yeah,
your mind is in the boat.
in the boat. Nabitala no may bale, ruang ka na singa.
Oi, I thought you go to Bulia.
Lembulia mela mamerto wadi divya umay. From there,
Yeah.
the Deus was with the Watikoki. Apa tan? Wadipoking korna kana.
Iya, nanti.
Then from there, the Deus was like this,
Yeah.
Deus is staying in Kandavu.
Yeah.
He's staying in Kandavu. Myself will come and go,
Yeah.
So he was staying there, and
Mabanga mo to Andrew, I want to stay with you.
yeah, we were in me. Then from there, Deus was like this, Deus, you have to take the mic talk.
Yeah.
Oi.
You have to announce to the public that Nasin won its
Yes,
by
won the
loss.
Yeah.
Okay, but why
According
Deus?
to the law.
Yeah.
Why Deus? No. You know,
Yeah.
as soon as the game finish,
Yeah.
you'll be on the boat. Myself will stay. Au sabango, Deus bango mo kabe Deus.
Yeah.
Au kere tura nongundreu, lengundreu. Oi como na kadivaka. Au kambala tatamandreu. Vina ko ikuni na utingan ng gitong ko sana ponto. Kaya talanda na matangun niya ko, niyo! Baleta! Oya, unati ko may. Nadunru ni Lucio, makabyaw sa natin may biyaw. Then daw kinda na lamayaw ka. Au saya lalo tumutan nung kusigilete, utal kami ubondo. Tarayaw nagyang may choma. Kung kila rakoro veo kani. Sana singa ni otsoma sana bay tabike. Sana rake. Ahora la corre somu. Ahora di ko mamamo ka Deus. Antoni tabole bungo. Dom boleh bila me kantabu bani ni bina ni bengkarabi. Boleh bina turang Andreu. Abuna da masih boleh mekena mata bina ni kuwa. Ni tagi ni na maruta tu nang karabi ni tabi. Boleh bu 0 bites quality product from Punjes Biscuits. Ona pondo iko na baka no mundio na lay maraw.
Ona la ko na baka. Sino matala. Ona la ko bulong-bulong yan sino la ko mati.
Budia gori.
Sakalay. Karay saya na italo lagalakan ni nalito ikadaw.
Talon sini.
Talon sila sa talon staki.
Right.
Ano po ni katabu siya. Speaking of katabu, ang botan ni doon turun mo na binakaya. At laki maru tagi tukiran na buto-buno talaman na oiran na turbo
Iyo.
Ang tunga na bikor na kataka.
Right.
Sama lang na iya. Alde tatong bulo binaka may mukisa.
Right.
Katabu na matali ko radonge na masimana family. Nakalo maduata. Isa.
Oh, mbulare.
Elks katundaw ni ano binaka turanga.
Iyo. Temo le dua esipeli radonge wanu ni binakateni.
Vambul tal tunga be ya kuku simeli. Rale barang tongor mai watu korsia. Wanu ni binaka kuku. Na buni bengkara kena bubale be kem donangone ngona dorbu ni kana-kana. Mai tunulo. Iyo. Sem sartu menggori mai watu korsia.
Aborta cuma sermana. Kemini muni bontong kana velo-velo.
Velo mendeo batu. Ni sepatu ya na.
Sempiti tu ile buka ada benaka domengun ti utom balekana. Tokabuti na.
Serai on cumi gori.
Oh, mbule bina mai weni bu house.
So kita bomba tadi santo no muni poli pulo marmanita.
Ele ni singa.
Oi, so di dalam sar.
Makui makete titi koron do mbula lembas sila bilesenia.
Right.
Oh, Yandre.
Kaya nga ya, nonton Gramiden.
Jangai.
Nunggu main nawa itu ni sa tawaloka betombo katalan.
Yung gerea ni. Yung gerea ni kosa wan rambalaw. Yung gerea na vi bol katila kamaya usare ngai muri. Sari dito na bisa mebunisia. Au sare bang korsa matau kendo na kana adike. Deus bada boiko. Au sabang boy usana bosot tangan na iba. Iya.
Sa bina boleh besar.
Ni ko ambe katarembe kami kandabu.
So,
isa nga bakoti kandabu
Oi.
Ara ni suka na ele ya.
Kanjin. Isa bina boleh besar sermana.
Yo, dona timi binakan din na tim ni Choma.
Clear.
Iyo.
Bong, gitu binaka.
Buru binak main kelo
Isa
tali.
timi na nga nirtu sko ngai sinibawi.
Ya buna merde an ramsar ngapakali buna anto di pakatang sidi.
Iya.
Bata kira lines men menanga.
Nakelo, dombula Monueni.
Iya.
Monita sirlem tuang kalombula.
Yang mereka.
Sermana Merlita binabali usara.
Ano ba na?
Talaitaka guys siya taka to nonta live.
Dor mereka.
Intu ko sa tinding game basika.
Okay.
Honorina.
Oh,
Retiro, iyo.
Iya, binabali besar. Atleta en Pacific Polytech en Usuri.
Bulu nak.
Kesa, tahu bina kaya namata kang go. Pertutalangan ni lolaw ni Radonke.
Iya.
Baka kina be tangi bolili emani. Serana nandruku, sermana Merlita.
Bulu nak.
Salim ka dar borong tumay.
Right.
Ito sini tapo yata na puno ni borong bulu bikira kita sampai kita bagi ciri bikin ni.
Iya.
Kaya pa malam kali na puno bitokan.
Right.
Ano nanta kuno baru takian nanta outs palang show.
Like taka, lap taka, kay siya taka, siya.
Right.
Nanonta live na matabi na ni Kuwa.
Derek Rewanga.
Ni Rebe, baka marutak tukina. Dundi panuweso, nda si mahuli
Dino,
mekina.
sir.
Na VTFM.
Sa. Bedak betak iso tar mata mata kamaroy siguro bulang kay siya takot siya ni no like mata kana no hats. Go